Hello everyone, hello YouTubers, this is Dave again, and today I want to show you another version of gas jet alcohol stove. I have studied many different ways of making this alcohol gas jet stove in the YouTube, and I finally found a combination of two different type of stoves. That one is normal gas jet alcohol stove, and the other one is the wood stove. That means the wood stove needs a combustion chamber uh, for the air to flow from the bottom to go up and inside the can, and with a final combustion to save energy and get more strong power, flame power. So I mixed the two different ways together. Maybe some ideas are still in the YouTube, but also I changed a little bit. My way is to make this kind of things very easy, without welding, without bolt and nuts jointing, because that is very different. And this kind of aluminum can, it's really difficult to weld or to get some screws done. So I just wanted to put it together, just to fit the size of the different cans. Now, as you already knew, this is kind of a tea can, coffee can. So I cut the neck of the coffee can with a very small scissors. I want to show you. This is for the beauty scissors. So I make a circle and point it with this marker and line it by putting this one up here and the line over there. And next one, I cut slowly by checking it whether it fits inside. Okay, it's going in there. Okay, and the other one is that I made a lot of small holes. As you see, to make a bigger hole with this big size drill bit, then this aluminum can cannot stay longer or sturdy enough, because this is the prototype of the alcohol gas burner, and I made a big holes, but it cannot stay longer because you see lots of the crumbled edging. So I decided to make small holes, many small holes, which can get more airs comparing to the big holes. And this one is the inside can, and I only made the combustion holes on the upper side. The reason why I didn't make the holes in the bottom side, for wood stove, they have to make holes on the bottom side to get more airs in and to burn the woods and the twigs easily burn out 100%. But if I put the alcohols in it, you should not make holes here, as you see. So I didn't make it. So if I pour the alcohols in it, I can pour around this high before under the holes, you know. It's very easy, and you may understand. And I put in some wick, the alcohol wick in there, like this, and pour the alcohol in it and burn it. Then it will get the strong flame, which I'll show you later. But this time I wanna show you how to assemble these two different size cans. And finally, I made this one, cut the neck and make holes, and I made these holes and cut the upper side. How to cut the upper side is very easy and simple. As you see, this is can opener, can cutter. So you may put it like this, and if you push one by one, then the lids will be off again. So I made the same way to do this and cut it off easy and smoothly. So I took off the lids very smoothly. Maybe you can see. So finally, with this kind of long plier, strong plier, I push it inside to trim the sharp edges, you know. Then it's really smooth enough. Now you may understand how I did it. Finally, I'm gonna put this one inside it. Then that's it. As you see, the height is all about the same. That means if I push it down, only I can see this side. So almost 100% sealed naturally. Okay? Let's see it together. Oops. So I just twist it a little bit. And pump it. Wow. Pump it. Wow. Just in case, I put a little bit hard, whether it goes down to the bottom. Oh, that's enough. You see, you can see the side is nicely done without any kind of welding or gluing it. Only if you try to very carefully cut the edges with these beauty scissors, then you can make the just fit the size of the diameter for each different cans. So I think it's really good enough for me. And you see, this is the combustion air inflow, and inside there is the air outflow. So if I put the wicks, okay, let me get the old one I used. So I'm gonna take the previous one. So I made this one differently, different shape of. This is the outside can. This is the inside can, the same, because this is the alcohol container, and this is cover can, and inside there I put some wicks in it, and I'm gonna take it out and put it this new one, and there are some more wicks down there. That's okay anyhow, and because this wick contains alcohol, so I wanna save this alcohol for it. There is another wick. This is the old version. consists of three different parts. The inside can, outside can, this is cover. As you see, this cover, I made the same trimming with this can opener by doing things like that by hand. One by one, cut it off. And this is the out of this can. You see? And you can use this one very nice and easy. So put it inside there and get some alcohol and the wicks and cover it down. That's, as you see, this diameter and this diameter is all about the same, and if I put it this way, it's sealed 100% without any welding and jointing or gluing. Just put it and cover it and push it a little bit hard, then it's done. But this is a little bit long to cook something in it, so I changed it to make it a little bit shorter one to carry out easily. And this hole is too big, and it can be crushed down if I put some weight on this upper side. But this seems to be very strong because the small holes and the structure can resist the pressure of something on the upper side. Okay, that's it. So this is there are wicks, and I'm gonna put this alcohol in it. As you see, pour the alcohol in it. So as you see, this is the scale of the alcohol can for me to use: 50, 100, 150, 200. So if you see, I can pour at least 200 of alcohol in it. But the size of the diameter is small and this is big one, so it's gonna be around 150 cc of alcohol can be for the inside. That means 150 cc of alcohol can burn at least 1 hour. That means you may cook any kind of meals in-house or outdoor camping site. So now you may see how strong the flame is and how soon the water can be boiled with this small size. Okay, now you may see the gas stove is burning now, and I put a small pot with water in it. Let me see. Yeah, now you may see the flame. It's really strong. You may see the flame really strong. The power is very strong, and you can see inside the burner. You can see the blue color. That's the air is coming out from the bottom. So it combusted the alcohol 100% with a strong flame. Okay, so the flame is very strong, and it can burn almost 1 hour as it is now. You see, I'm gonna making a little bit of brightness to see how the burner is working on. As you see, the color is changing a little bit. Now the color is almost blue. That means the power is very very strong. So the air from the bottom hole get in there. The bottom hole get in there and coming out, and with the alcohol and combusted 100%. So you can see the popping sound of the fire. If the fire is too strong, you may sometimes hear the popping sound of because it hits the oxygen in the air. Okay? So I think it's 100% satisfied with this small alcohol gas stove. As I told you, this is a mixed type of alcohol stove and wood stove. So I mixed it, both the strong points together. The one is the combustion system, and the other is the carry-out alcohol system. It's easy to handle because if you want to use some kind of tweaks of other things or wooden pellets, as you see, the size of this stove is too small to do that thing. But with this small size, if you put some alcohol in it, you can use it for 1 hour without changing any other things. With this strong flame, and you can cook almost any kind of food in-house or outdoors. Okay? Thanks for watching.